So in this question here, we've got the standard normal distribution. We've got x is distributed normally 0, 1. So that tells us that the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. Now our question asks us x minus mu absolute value is greater than x. So as it's greater than x here, what that tells us that the tails will be split in half by area of 0.72. So that means each tail will be about 0.36. So 0.36, that means we've got 0.28 for the centre part. Now by the empirical rule, each standard deviation across from the centre, so there to the minus 1 standard deviation to the plus 1 standard deviation, each one of those is 34%. So our result should be somewhere in the centre of the line there, roughly. So we know that this bit would be 0.36, this bit would be 0.36, so that leaves 0.28 for the centre. So with that in mind, we should get a result somewhere between plus or minus 1, but less than 1. So plus or minus a half, or roughly something like that. So we can type in our calculator now using the inverse normal CD. Probability x is less than some value x. And then as our calculator goes in this direction, we want to type in 0.36. So we type mean is 0, sigma is 1, and area equals 0.36. So we got it set on variable, which is what we want. So now we want to try the left tail. So that's that one. And the left tail area is 0.36. That's that one. Now standard normal, so we want standard deviation on 1, the mean on 0, and then press that, execute, and it gives us minus 0.35 as required. If we wanted the upper tail on the other side, we just flick that over to the right, then that should give us the positive value, which is what we wanted. Or we can just go to the central, work out what the area is in the middle, which is 0.28, and then press that, should give us both results, which are as required. 0.3585, and plus or minus will be fine because we know by the laws of symmetry this one should be the plus version. So therefore x equals minus 0.3585 or plus 0.3585 by the laws of symmetry of the normal distribution.